Imagine starting your morning with just your voice. The Hamilton Beach Alexa-enabled smart coffee maker brings true convenience to your kitchen. With built-in Alexa, you can simply say, "Alexa, brew me coffee," and it gets to work. No buttons, no hassle. Its sleek stainless steel design fits beautifully in any modern space, while the front fill water reservoir and swing-out brew basket makes setup easy even in tight spots. You can schedule brewing, check status, or control it hands-free from anywhere in your home. The best part? It consistently delivers rich, flavorful coffee cup after cup, making mornings smoother and evenings more relaxing. For busy professionals, parents, or anyone who values comfort and smart living, this coffee maker is a game changer. At Fair Review, we believe this isn't just a coffee maker, it's your personal barista powered by Alexa.